my new friend. I found him on the side of the road, and we're trying to take him home. Mr. Pileated Woodpecker, yes you are. We're going to take him back to where we picked him up and put him in this box. He got hit by a car. We put him in this box, and now we're taking, and while we were going down the road, while I was going down the road, he woke up, and he's doing much better now, and he wants out. But I am going to take him back to close to where I found him to let him go, because he might, or she might, have a nest somewhere, and I want to make sure that if she has any babies, or he has any, babies, whatever, try to get him back to an area that he's really knows where he's at. And he is a beautiful, beautiful bird. This is a Pileated woodpecker from the Appalachian Mountains in North Carolina. And I've been singing to him, trying to get him to calm down, and hopefully he's going to stay calm here for a little while until I get him back to his home. I'm just a couple of miles from where I picked him up. I was taking him to the Western North Carolina Nature Center, and he woke up. So let's hope he does good. Stay calm, buddy. We're almost there. Almost back. Almost back. Stay calm. Almost back. Sure is pretty. Almost back. Almost back to your home. We're going to take him to the parkway. Very close to where I found him. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here, come on. Come on out. Oh, he's pissed. Come here. Come on out. Come on. Come on. I'm going to have to turn this off to get him out. He's up in that tree, so I think he's going to make it. He got out of the car and took off flying. I think he's good. Whew. That was crazy. There he is. Very top of the tree. Very top of the tree.